Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 3rd of September. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to my members and everybody out there on social media. Uh, I'm leaving early. It's noon. This is my last kind of semi-vacation day I'm taking here to kill the summer. If you're interested in learning more about us, you can join us at smartoptiontrading.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Click on live trading alerts. We have Discord, we use Zoom for video and voice, and we have private Twitter feed where we call all the flow, news, trades, and everything relevant to make money throughout the day. And, the community kind of works together nicely now. So let's talk about this week as we're sitting here. And the week was a choppy week. When you look at the SPY, the long-term trend remains up, 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 and up, right? Look at how we just keep pushing up. And, you look at this week, well, we really went nowhere. We put a new all-time high in yesterday. We gapped down today on the non-farm payroll numbers, and we bought the weakness back. For the rest of the day, if you're trading today and you're watching this, I expect the low volume grinding type of action and stick with the longer name. So SPY held in just fine. The NQ, sorry, the Qs here, similar action pushing back up, stronger today. The IWM, which had been leading this week, getting beaten up a bit. Energy sector had a nice bounce yesterday, but mostly out of play. And same thing with the banks, just not a lot going on here. Meanwhile, the VIX continues to do nothing. For those of you guys that like the crypto market, Bitcoin is putting in a new range high and is strengthening up. So let's talk about this week and the week that was. And, there was days to trade and days not to trade, and be aggressive. Shorting this market is just not working. For what it's worth, that very bad jobs number will put pressure back on the Fed not to announce a tapering plan in September, which means there's a good chance they'll kick the can down the road until the November meeting. AMD gave a nice trade on Monday, but couldn't hold the highs, traded that a couple times, and here it is still going sideways. That one was nice this week. PayPal was a great trade off of the news on Monday as well. Made nice money on this one, but couldn't hold. Apple's given a couple trades here and there this week, but overall it's been stuck and really struggling to get through the 155 area, right? Not Apple, come here, there you go. Push up, it keeps pushing up into it, but can't go for what it's worth. Facebook put a new all-time high, and that gave a nice trade on Wednesday. So did Roku. Roku gave beautiful trades, multiple on Wednesday, and then yesterday it reversed, and here it is well below. So another breakout failure on this one, unfortunately, at this point. Outside of that, guys, it's been a name-by-name type cases. Zoom had bad earnings. We have that big gap down on it, and it's trying to push into it here. You have SoFi, which had bad earnings, trying to push back up into that earnings gap here at the 1554 level. Tesla has also struggled this week to break out, weak here today, put buying all over it right now. And the market continues to say, not 100% sure what it wants to do. Want you guys to notice here, the oscillators, which were getting hot, are cooling off very nicely with today's action. So with that said, I'm going to wish you guys all a happy long weekend. We are off on Monday. The markets are not open. Tuesday is Rosh Hashanah. For those of you who are Jewish, Happy New Year to you and enjoy it. I know a lot of you will be taking that day off as well. I'll post charts on Monday and we will go there. So wishing you guys all a very happy long weekend. I'll catch you guys bright and early on Tuesday morning.